Welcome to Shivai Tarot and Guidance. How are you all doing? Good. So today we are going to do reading for Taurus and pull some advices from Shivai. So guys, let me pull out some Shivai messages for you guys, Taurus. So Taurus, you are dealing with earth sign, Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn, water sign, Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So in your relationship, Taurus, there is some sort of imbalance between you and your partner. There is no contact situation or breakup, as you are unable to give proper time towards your partner, as you are somewhere overthinking your relationship. And neglecting your partner's effort also. I can see, Taurus, your partner is having immense feelings for you only. This is why he is not accepting others' proposal. Now he or she has clear mindset that they will give you equal give and take, possibly marriage proposal. So if you have not met this person, I think this could be a long distance relationship. You must have met them on social medias, social site. So I can see ki if you have not met this person till yet, then here is the time when you guys will meet each other. And I would suggest, Taurus, please keep your views out. I would suggest you to please speak. You are having a lot of things inside yourself which is not good. I think it should be outspoken. You should be outspoken. You should clear your things and views towards your partner, your family, your friends. Whatever you think, you should speak up. So this person is all in you, Taurus. So congratulations. Okay, about your career, there is a loss of property. I can see there is a loss of property or some kind of project from your hand, and a heavy loss of finance which has adverse impact on your professional journey or career wise. You can see as it resonates to you. And this is just because your bad debts from your past life. So now you have fulfilled that bad debts, and now you are moving towards new direction of your life. And this will give you immense successful growth, prosperity, opportunity, happiness, family, celebrations. There is a huge victory is about to come, and you will find balance in your life along with stability. The stability you are looking for the long time is now. This is your time. You have to explore this. Take this opportunity as your first and last chance and explore it to the level best. So I can see your all cards are so positive, so much positive. I'm so delighted to have this reading today. So that's all for Taurus. Let's see and pull out your Shivai guidance. What has Shivai for you? Okay, so your first guidance of Shivai, that is, don't be partial, else you will be in some place one day. So Shivai is saying ki don't be partial. If you are being somewhere partial in your life, whether it is in profession, whether it is in personal life or your personal life, that is family wise, if you are being somewhere partial, okay, don't be partial. I think there are a lot of things that on which person gets partial is not good. I would suggest you wherever and whatever you see, if that this is right, you should speak up, you should stand for it, or else you will be at the same place one day. Shiva is specially saying don't do it because you are also going to face the same problem. So don't do it. If you see this is wrong, then stand for it. Okay, very good, very nice message. Okay, second message is make good friends, take risk for every now and then. Okay, so Shiva is saying that ki make some good friends. Okay, if you are having some bad friends or anyone that is who giving you negative energies, stay away, make them away from you. And Shiva is saying take some risk. Okay, you have to take a risk and then only you can explore yourself. Okay, next message is meditate to fight or win half of the battle, make strategies to sort out problems. So Shiva is saying ki meditate yourself, have yoga, meditation, Reiki. If you can see, if you don't know about this, please go and Google it. You will get a lot of videos on it, and after doing this you will fight half of the battle. You need not to overthink, you need not to over summarize things unnecessarily. Okay, and make good strategies so that your problems are sorted. You can move forward, you can move ahead. Okay, very, very nice message. Next message is I will provide opportunity, money, career and stability. Okay, so Shiva is saying I will provide opportunity, money, career and stability. If Shiva is saying that, he will definitely give you, because there is 9 of Pentacles you can see, and victory card is also there. So very, very nice. There is a clear confirmation that Shiva is going to give you this all. You need only to calm yourself, don't summarize things unnecessarily. Okay, so last message is time is always at your side, need to start. So here Shiva is saying it, time is always at your side. There is never a late. I would say whenever you find you are now ready, then and there only start your time, start your journey, start your efforts, initiate your plans, make yourself skillful and move ahead. Okay, so Taurus, that's all for 2020-22, and I wish you all the best. God bless you all. And guys, if you like my channel, so please do like, share and subscribe my channel, and please do share it as much as you can.